Do you want to learn how to have patience in the relationship? If the answer is yes, here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Understand the value of patience. Because you are in a relationship, you would expect your partner to be your team, isn't it? But you know, your partner also expects the same from you. So you will be in a tug of war. Because you both are two separate minds, you think differently. If you want to create consensus, if you want to become a great team with your partner, you need to learn how to have patience. Patience is all about waiting. It's all about stopping the need to be right. Patience is all about having acceptance that your partner is different from you. And also respecting his or her emotions. Because that's going to help you create easy communication with him or her. And having patience costs nothing. But the benefits are limitless. You will get a lot of love in your life. A lot of growth. And also a lot of hugs. On the other side, if you are impatient, be ready for a lot of arguments and fights. Finally, for what? For sulking and brooding in the room all alone. So make a conscious choice to respect your partner's different personality and make him or her feel valued and loved. And that can happen when you have a lot of patience. Step number 2. Take time out and rebalance. Difference of opinions are normal. But if something makes you feel so overwhelmed, you need to learn to step back. And at that very moment, you need to tell your partner gently, I'm not able to talk right now. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Those 10 minutes are going to give you a time to pull off and also address your emotions. But this will come with practice. In those 10 minutes, do a lot of deep breathing. Inhale from your nose and then exhale from your mouth. Repeat this for some time. And in that moment, tell yourself that you love your partner. And if you really love your partner, you're not supposed to change him or her, isn't it? Tell yourself that your partner is not an object. He or she is not like a chair. Do you know, a chair would just behave the way it should every day, but not your partner. That chair used to be a tree once upon a time, but now that dead tree is in form of that chair. So it's just behaving like a non-living object. But your partner is not a non-living object, isn't it? Your partner is as alive as you. And also, when you got attracted to your partner in the good old days, you liked his or her spontaneity, didn't you? So why do you expect your partner to behave in the same way every day, the way the chair does? So try to understand how your partner is feeling. What's the person within your partner aspires? You, as his or her partner, is supposed to support those aspirations, aren't you? So in those 10 minutes, practice a lot of self-talk, thinking about all the good things that your partner does for you. Trust me, this way you'll have a lot of patience towards your partner. Step number 3. Do the repair. So next time, if you feel angry or irritable or want to control your partner, take a step back, take a break, and then come back to your partner and apologize. You can say, I'm really sorry for how I reacted. I never wanted to do that. I don't like myself doing that to you. I really love you and I want to support you with whatever you want for yourself. Please let me know, what did you expect from me in that situation? I want to understand more about that. And then when your partner starts sharing, do not interrupt him or her. Understand what is the person within your partner expects. Support your partner with all that you can do. When you listen to your partner actively, you will be able to brainstorm the best solution that works for both of you. You don't have to agree to everything that your partner says, but you have to surely validate on everything that he or she is saying, and then you can collaborate. When you validate, you say a statement like, I understand this is how you felt and this is what you want for yourself. Now by this statement, you're not agreeing to what he or she is saying, but you are being with your partner. So when you collaborate, you give up your subconscious need to be always right. So in short, the first step towards patience is You accept and validate the person within your partner. And then the second step is to cherish the different person within him or her. We at Mind Tigers offer one-to-one personalized training programs where we focus on the right habits, those right actions which you do every day. So do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck.